Bengaluru is special. But who made it special? It's people. The heartbeat of this vibrant city. Yes, they are the pillars of Bengaluru. And now, it's time to honor them, to pay tribute to the spirit that makes Bengaluru unique. At Biocon Group, we are celebrating these everyday champions. From Husker Gate to Biocon Hebbagodi Metro Station, we are honoring them on over 50 pillars, saluting their efforts, celebrating their lives. They are the pillars of Bengaluru, champions who shape the city's soul. This is our tribute to Noma Bengaluru. Stay tuned as we unveil each of the pillars.